Hey everyone, today we're going to do a review of the Gosling's Rum Tour. Come check it out. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little excursion review. We're going to be in Bermuda. I was in Bermuda 3 days last week. I'm going back again in September on the Mariner of the Seas. I'll be there 3 more days. So we decided to do a bunch of excursions, and then we could do some reviews on them and let you know what we think of them. So this time down, we did the Gosling's Rum Tour. We did a few. I'm going to go through each one of those each day in the next 3 days. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Gosling's Rum Tour. This is a sunset rum tour. It meets out on the pier about 7:15, 7:30 right now until it starts getting darker earlier, and then there'll be earlier meeting times. So you meet out on the pier, you walk down just about maybe 200 feet. You get on your little boat there. It is a double-decker boat. For the most part, most of the people are on the top of the boat. It's about 100, 150 people there. There are a few representatives. You have a captain of the ship, someone else as well there helping with the shipboard activities. And then you have a representative or two from Gosling's Rum Company. So basically what they do is they give you a little bit of a history of the Gosling family, how the rum company was started, some fun facts about Bermuda and how it's integrated with rum and with Goslings. They talk about the origin of the Dark and Stormy, which is the national drink down there, which is not allowed to be called a Dark and Stormy unless it has Gosling's rum in it and ginger beer. And then basically what they do is they give you a sample of 5 different rums. Of course, this is all in a ruse to get you to buy rum, duty-free rum, which is fine. They're giving you some free samples, or you paid for your excursion, so you're getting some samples, and you get to go on a nice little sunset cruise. So you'll cruise out through the channel there under the bridge and do a little tour of the area of Bermuda. They'll tell you about some of the things in the area. And you will try the gold liqueur, which is my favorite, just a little bit of a sipping liqueur. Then you're going to have a dark and stormy. Then as soon as you get on the ship, you're going to get a Rum Swizzle, which of course is their other national drink down there. And then you're going to get the old rum and the Flora Rum. So you get 5 drinks. So pretty good bang for your buck down there. 2 of them are going to have ginger beer in them. One's going to be a Rum Swizzle. 2 of them are going to be sipping little liqueurs. So the whole time out, you get to go on this beautiful cruise at sunset. The skyline is obviously beautiful. It's a really, really, really nice excursion. I've done this excursion maybe 4 or 5 times on different cruise lines. All of the different cruise lines have the Gosling's Rum Tour, whether it's Celebrity, Princess, Norwegian, Royal. The crew that was on there were great. They were playing some games. They were having some fun. We talked to one of the young women that were on this ship, and she went to college in England, and then the pandemic hit, and she actually came back and wrote a book about dyslexia for kids 3 to 5 that's in the Bermudian schools down there, which is really cool. So you get to meet some great people. We had a good time with our friends that we had met on the cruise. So I highly recommend this one. It is not a huge party vibe, just so you know. It's not like a Rum Swizzle cruise where you go out and they're bumping music, and there's a little bit of music playing, but mostly it's kind of like an informative, almost like an infomercial where they're trying to sell you rum, of course. And then when they're done the tasting, you can go down and purchase all the duty-free rum your heart desires or that you're allowed to bring back into the country. So, but I do enjoy it. I think it's great to get out there at sunset and go on a little sunset cruise out there on a small boat. You come back, it's dark, you go back onto the ship, and it was a great evening. So if you're doing an overnight in Bermuda, highly recommend the Gosling's Rum Tour cruise. Let me know if you've been on it before, what your thoughts are. Did you enjoy it? Do you like the Gosling's rum? And are you team Dark and Stormy, or are you team Rum Swizzle? Let me know which one you prefer. I prefer a Dark and Stormy. Thank you so much. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.